New to DaVinci Resolve? Let's start with the very first step, importing your video clips. Step 1. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Step 2. At the bottom, click on the Media tab. It looks like a film strip. Step 3. On the top left, you'll see the folder browser. Navigate to the folder where your clips are stored. Step 4. Select your files, then drag and drop them into the media pool in the center. Step 5. Now, click on the Edit tab. Your clips are ready to use. Pro tip: you can also drag files directly from your desktop into the media pool on the Edit tab. Super quick, that's it. Your first step in editing with DaVinci Resolve is done. Follow for the next video, where I'll show you how to cut and trim clips like a pro in 60 seconds.